Thank you for tuning into my channel where you find all about art journals, mixed media, assemblage, collage and anything else that sparks my interest. Hi, my name is Beagrob and I'm glad you're here. Hey all, welcome back to my next page, I think 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. And then I have 1, 2, 3 to go. Okay, so now we have a garden, we have like suburb, we have the city. Now it's time for meadow. What do you think about? And I found actually a magazine page which is wide enough, so it means I don't have to paint. Of course I don't want the upper part, so I'm gonna cut back a little bit. I don't need, do I want a tree stump? Maybe I want a tree stump, I have to check it. So what kind of birds I have? I have this one, actually one from Switzerland, and I think that's from Europe at least. And it's sort of like in a nest, so I thought maybe I'm gonna put that here and this up here. Let's see what it looks like. This guy goes here. And that I have to cut back also a little bit. And then I have to paint again to put them slightly together. I'm just thinking I ought to like that on this side, don't I? Yeah. Okay, you have to go in somewhere here, Birdie. Maybe up here. And we're not gonna have a lot up here. But there is so much going on the back, I'm thinking we are fine with that. But now I'm thinking if I should put maybe the tree back. The good thing I have to glue anyway, so it doesn't matter really. And I think I'm going to put it back, but just the tree trunk, nothing else. Yeah, that's already enough here. Okay, again I'm gonna glue those things and then we're gonna paint. Again, I'm not going into the crease, so I make sure that I can actually open and close the book easily. So I leave like 2 millimeters, but you can see it's in the bend, but it really makes the difference. Okay, I'm gonna cut back here right away so that I see where I'm at. Okay, so our next step, and I actually gonna use the glue stick again. Just for the larger surfaces I like to use the gel matte, but for those little pieces a glue stick is fine. And while we are talking, if you find this video series helpful or inspiring, please do share them, give me a thumbs up and all that jazz. That helps my channel, and so others might find me too, and YouTube gonna recommend my videos because there is a lot of interaction. I really appreciate everything. Now I need to get the colors a little bit more together, so I need to paint a little bit again. And I do have like this cadmium green this time, and I think I have enough of this, but maybe for the darker green a little bit. Okay, that was a rather quick one, thanks to the fact that I didn't have to adapt to the width of the, what I wanted to say, I didn't have to work on the sides because the paper was wide enough. Okay, sometimes, yeah. Okay, now I do wiggly waggly lines for this part here, and I'm going to cut back quite a bit this time. I think from now on I have to build up again because I have no more room, so, but that's okay. Now I'm gonna go again in with the green a little bit with my stipple motion, and then again I'm gonna go along the edges with some black marker, and then we are done. I think that's enough. Okay, I'm gonna use quick to heat tool before I go in with the black marker. I'm still gonna go in with a little bit of the Stabilo All. To give some shadows. And I'm also gonna do it here, I think. It just gives another quality to the tree. Okay, here we are, our fourth page is done. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you soon again. Take care, bye!